Okay, third grade. So you have your non-objective drawing. I'm going to move this out of the way for right now. Okay. Now we're going to make some tints. Okay. So I'm going to choose to make tints of blue. You have your paints. Each paint color should have a stick in it. The stick only goes in that color. That stick never goes in your palette. And you have to share the sticks, and they only stay in that color. You should have one brush that's your brush. Okay. So the easiest way, my hint, to make a tint is to start with white. So that's your color that's going to make it light. So I'm going to start with white. I'm going to put a pretty big blob of white, scoop of white right there. So there is my white. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little splat of blue. Okay. So do not let the blue stick touch the white. Okay. You just got to kind of grip it. There we go. That's a little bit more than I wanted, but and then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to mix it. I'm not going to mix it all over the tray because that's going to waste my paint. Okay, I'm just mixing it in this one little spot. Okay. You want to mix it good. Okay. This is going to be your lightest tint. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Alright, now you have your non-objective painting. You're going to want to pick where do you want to put this tint. Okay, pick a place. Paint it nice and neat. You don't want to mess up your shapes. You want to keep your nice, clean shapes. Maybe you want to use it at a different spot. Maybe you don't. If you do want to use it at a different spot, paint it at a different spot. But I'm actually just going to go and show you how to make a darker one. So now we're just going to keep the same amount. We're going to add another splat of blue. Just one splat. Okay. Here's your one splat of blue. We're going to mix it up. It should be getting, see, it's getting a little bit darker. Still don't want to put it right next to the other one because it's almost the same, but pick a spot, paint it. Now remember, we are going to save some space for our shades, so I want you to make at least 3 tints. Maybe you drew more shapes than me. Okay, now what do you think we're going to do? We're going to add another. I don't know if you could tell in the camera, but this one is lighter than this one. I'm going to add a little bit more this time, maybe 2 splats, just to make it a little bit darker. But also remember, we're using up the paint, so we're getting less and less paint every time because we're putting some of it on our painting. So it's still going to get darker because it's a smaller amount of paint. So I'm mixing this one up. These are all tints because we're adding blue, the primary color blue, and white. And the paints will dry a little bit lighter when they dry. Okay, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4 tints. You could do 3 or 4, how many ever you think, or if you need more, okay, but at least 3. Okay, then you're going to add shades. Now, the only problem I see with mine is I have some of these shade things connecting and all, but again, I can use this in another spot. I can put it over here too.